In his bags and water bottles had fallen nearby. As soon as Arjun tried to pick up his bag, Ronak snatched it from him and threw it far away.
Chinky, listen, I am going to help Saurabh and you bring our other friend.
Okay, but how will you fight Ronak alone?
Not every problem required a fighting for a solution. Another idea come to my mind.
Saying this, Pranjal starts walking towards Ronak and Chinky goes to call her friends.
Ronak, I have been looking for you for so long. Actually, the class teacher asked me the list of the most popular student. One of them will be made the class monitor. And no, there's one popular than you.
What are you talking about? I failed quiz. Why will the teacher make the class monitor?
See, in just a few days, you will be declared the class monitor.
In this way, Pranjal cleverly engaged Ronak in his talk, while on the other side, Chinky came with her friends. From a distance, they saw all the Ronaks bullying Saurabh.
The very next day, right after the assembly,
Then the class teacher came into the classroom and said,
Good morning, all of you. Sit down. Today we will finish our history chapter, the movement of India. So, in last class, what did you learn?
We learned that we should always speak against injustice because no matter how strong the enemy is.
And like the freedom movement, everyone should become together wise as one.
Very good. Amazing. You learned very well.
Ma'am, there is also a boy among us who has treated very badly. He is young and new to the school, so he is scared and never complained.
Who's that boy?
Pranjal and his friends encouraged Saurabh to tell the teacher in front of everything how Ronak bullies him. Because everyone was with him, Saurabh gathered the courage and told the teacher everything. Hearing this, the teacher became very angry and asked Ronak,
Ronak, what I'm hearing?
He is lying, ma'am. I did not do anything like that.
Ma'am, Pranjal is not lying. Ronak is lying. We saw with our own eyes that Ronak pushed Saurabh inside the bus and made him fall. He threw her bag and water bottle. He was telling him to beat more.
Ma'am, you will ask in the junior classes, and there many students will tell us how Ronak bully the kids.
Ronak does the same thing with other children as well.
But because they are afraid of him, no one has ever had the courage to complain until now.
This is very serious issue, Ronak. We will take action on it. Principal sir does not tolerate such a behavior in his school at all. He might even expel you from school.
Hearing all this, Ronak became very nervous. His father was already very angry with him because he had failed. When he heard that his parents were being called to school, Ronak was terrified.
I'm sorry, teacher. I made very big mistake. I will never to do again.
All the students in the class were seeing Ronak apologizing like this for the first time. They couldn't believe that this was the same Ronak who used to bully other students.
If you want to say sorry, then say it to Saurabh first and all students you have bullied.
I'm sorry, Saurabh. Please forgive me. I will never to do again. Okay, Ronak, I forgive you. I don't want you to be expelled from this school and your future get ruined. Just stop the habit of bothering someone if they are weak.
I'm proud of you, Saurabh, that you showed courage today and revealed the truth about Ronak in front of everyone. Otherwise, Ronak would never have realized his mistake and gradually this problem would have kept growing.
Ma'am, the credit for this goes to Pranjal. It was he who not only saved me from Ronak that day, but also gave me the courage to speak in front of everyone today.
I learned this from you, ma'am. That day in the history class, you taught us that injustice should be never tolerated.
Hearing all this, all the children start clapping. Smiles appears on the face of Pranjal, Saurabh, Aradhya and all the other children.
Bullying is a serious problem. It hurts mentally, physically, and emotionally. Everyone deserves to feel safe and respected. No one should be treated unfairly. So we will together stand and make a one voice stop bullying. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.